Okay. You all heard till which paragraph did we read before the line went off?
Yes. Miracle.
Till the miracle of God, you all heard, right?
Vitala, ma'am. Vitala, ma'am.
Till Lord Vitala. Okay, fine. Okay, so here in the last second paragraph, he understood the message of God. What did he understand? He cannot do anything without the God's knowledge. Okay, so what happened here? How did he understand? Because though he had locked the nose ring in the box, still his wife was able to show it. Why? Because she prayed to God, right? So because of that, because of God's miracle, he was able to show the nose ring in her hand. Okay, so he understood the message from God, and from that moment onwards, he became a devotee of Lord Vitala. Who is Lord Vitala?
Vishnu, ma'am.
Very good. He is Lord Vishnu. Okay, he wandered from place to place, which means he started moving from place to place. Okay, like sannyasis, you've seen those people, right? Keep going. They don't stay in one place. They go to temples, one temple after the other, right? Okay, same way even he also goes there. Okay, and then on one of his travels he met Vyasa Tirtha the sage, and then he also composed songs and sang them in praise of the Lord. Okay, so who composed songs and sang in praise of the Lord? It was Srinivasa. Yes, it was Srinivasa. Okay, he is called the father of Carnatic music. It was he who introduced many ragas. His Kereye Neerennu Kerege Chelli is also seen as the beginning of Carnatic music. Later, he came to be known as Purandara Dasa. Okay, so this is how he got his name, Purandara Dasa. He became a very devoted person to Lord Vishnu. How did he become such a huge devotee towards Lord Vishnu? Because of the miracle that happened in his life. Okay, and here who's called as the father of Carnatic music?
Srinivasa.
Very good. Srinivasa is called as the father of Carnatic music. Okay, children, did you all understand the lesson? Do you all have any doubt in this lesson?
No, ma'am.
All of you all understood?
Excuse me, ma'am.
In
Yes.
all the other pictures, this Purandara Dasa is nice, ma'am. Why only to this priest he was bad, ma'am?
No, I didn't get you, Aaron.
Ma'am, in all the other pictures, he was a nice man only, ma'am. But why to this priest he was like this?
In all the
Purandara
other
Dasa.
pictures, he was nice, but why in this?
Purandara Dasa, why he was like this to this priest?
No, I still didn't get your question. Why he is like this?
Yes, ma'am. In all the other pictures, he is a musical and good man, no, ma'am.
He
So why
became
to
a
this priest?
musical and good man. Okay, but initially, the time before he became a devotee to Lord Vishnu, he was a very rich person. Okay, and being a rich person, he wanted more money. For that matter, it is a human tendency. If you get 1 rupee now, you'll only be waiting to get another 10 rupees more. Right? That is why we all work. Because we need more and more. We are not satisfied with whatever we get. Same way when he also was a very rich person, but he needed more money. Okay, but then Lord Vishnu, he comes in his life to teach him a lesson. Okay, so when he comes to his house as a priest and he asks for money for the religious purpose, Lord Srinivasa was not willing to give him. Did he give him money? That the first time when he comes, no, he did not give. He says, no, you go, you come tomorrow. Okay, the same way for several days when he kept coming back home, Srinivasa knew unless and until he gives money and sends him, he will not stop coming. He's going to keep coming every day. Right? So what he does, he gives him a fake money. He gives him a fake coin. Okay, duplicate coin he gives him and then he sends off. But once the priest, okay, once Lord Vishnu, he realizes that the money that Srinivasa gave was not an original coin, what happens? He feels very sad. He feels very bad, right? If anyone cheats us, we feel bad. Right? Okay, the same way he also feels bad. And to whom does he go? He goes to Srinivasa's wife. Okay, he goes to Saraswati. Okay, so what does she do? She feels very bad. How can my husband do something like this? Right? So what she does, she removes her nose ring and she gives it to him, and he says, "You go sell this, sell this, and you can take the money." Yes, ma.
Whose wife, ma'am?
Srinivasa's wife. Srinivasa's wife is Saraswati Bai, right? Okay, so he goes to her to complain because he wants Srinivasa to know about him. Because of that, he is playing only with this family. Okay, so he goes to Saraswati and he says, "This is what your husband has done." Okay, so what does she do? She gives him the nose ring and she says, "You go sell this and then you can use it for whatever you want to use." Okay, so when to whom does he go to sell the nose ring? He goes to Srinivasa only. You think if all the jewels of a wife will be known to the husband, right? The same way, even Saraswati's nose ring also is very well known to her husband Srinivasa. So once he sees the nose ring, he knows it is actually my wife's. How did he get this? Right, but he knows that it will be that his wife only who's given it to her. So he's going to go home and he's going to give her nicely. So what he says, "Okay, you come tomorrow. By tomorrow, I'll arrange the money." And he sends the priest. And he takes the nose ring, locks it in the box, and then he goes home to find out what happened. Right? So when he goes home, Saraswati knows now my husband has come home. If he gets to know that I have given away gold to someone like this, for sure there is going to be a fight at home. Right? So what she does, she starts praying to God. Okay, she says, please help me to get out of the situation. So what does God do? When she's praying, she just opens her hand. What comes in her hand? The nose ring which Srinivasa had locked in his box. Right? So when she also surprised, how did the nose ring come in her hand? Because she's given it to this priest. Priest gave it to Srinivasa. Srinivasa had locked it in the box. Even Srinivasa also is very surprised. When I have locked it in the box, my wife is at home. How did she get the ring in her hand? Okay, so this is how God proves to Srinivasa that miracle, that gods are there. Okay, you need to help one another. Okay, this is how he teaches Srinivasa to be more generous. Okay, and not a selfish person. Okay, did you understand the story, children? The rest of you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have any doubt?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Srinivasa is a real person or is he a
He's a real person. Okay, these are all olden day stories. Okay, what happened previously? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
do you all have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, children. So if you all have no doubt, I will be sending you the notes for both the parts. Okay, Purandara Dasa part 1 and part 2, which you have to write in your classwork. Okay, and you will learn for your essay 2 also. I'll be sending you the portions. With this, we complete your English literature. That is, your English reader portions is completed. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you send the notes, ma'am.
Yes, I will be sending it to you by today. By today or latest by tomorrow, you will get the notes for both the lessons. Okay, Purandara Dasa part 1 and 2. Okay, and I will also be sending you the portions for your essay 2 for your final exam. Also, I'll be sending you the portions. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Do you have any doubt?